I am going to try the new palette called The Legend by Beauty Creations. And it has some pretty colors in there. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to play around. I am going to play around and create a look. I'm going to use the NYX glitter glue because I want to create something really pretty. The colors in there are so pretty. I want to use it. What colors I'm going to use, I don't know. They have shimmers, they have glitters. I might just do something with the glitter. I don't like glitter, but I like the pretty, these, I don't like glitter, but the pretty ones that I see in there, I might just have to try it. So glitter it is, glitter it is, yeah, yeah. I just want to play and have a little bit of fun, a little bit of fun. Okay, there are lots of pretty, pretty, pretty ones in there. Okay, ooh, it's nice and soft. So let's go with this one first. Let us go with this one first. This is so pretty. I usually don't do shimmers. Trust me, I don't do shimmers per se. Because I don't like shimmers. Shimmers are hard to take out. They get everywhere. But I have to play with this one. This is just so pretty. Can you see? Can you see this? This is so, so pretty. Ooh, I love it. There are lots of different shimmers in there and glitters. So I'll go into another glitter. There's a purple one. There's a purple glitter right here. I'm just having some makeup fun. So if you have a palette, you don't have to play with glitter. You can take your palette out and have some makeup fun along with me. This is when I tell this palette is pretty in person, it is. You see the shimmers? You see what the shimmers look like? I don't have, do I have? Yeah, I do have it all over here. So gotta fix it. Ah, this is so pretty. This palette is a gem for me. I am telling you, I am not the glitter type. I play with it, but I don't care for it. But this glitter right here, it feels nice. It's not grainy. It is just sparkly. Take a look. Can you see? Yes. Oh, this is pretty. Oh yeah, this is pretty. This is pretty. I gotta do a third one. I need a third one. I know I can feel a glitter in my eyelash. Okay, I need one more. So far, I have used this glitter and this glitter. There is this one right here, which has like multi colors in it. I think I'll do that for the inner corner. You see what I'm saying? Oh my God. This is unbelievable beautiful. Unbelievable beautiful. Do not get glitter in your eyes if you're using glitter. Please don't hurt yourself with glitter. You have to take glitter out a certain way, but this glitter is not harsh. It's fine. It feels like it has its own, it feels like a gel. That's what I'm feeling. Oh, how I love this. How I love this. Oh my God, this is cute. Today's look. Today's I am is I am grateful for resilience. I am grateful for resilience. Be resilient in life. Tough times does not last. Only tough people do. Life gets really hard sometimes and you don't think you can even make it. Do not give up. Do not give up. If I had given up when I was homeless, I would not be here talking to you. I just kept on praying and doing what I know was right. Be resilient. Build up resilience so when tough time comes, you can handle it. And remember, you don't have to handle anything by yourself. Reach out to other people, bounce off ideas, talk to people, let them know what you're feeling, release your mind. And as always, until I see you and you see me, build strength and courage. Build strength and courage. Today's look again. I just wanted to play with some makeup and have some fun. Bye.